Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inshallah, in this video, we'll talk about AutoCAD plotting. How we can plot our drawing, or how we can take a hard copy or a soft print of our drawings. So, first we need some changes in Page Setup Manager. As you can see, we have different drawings, and if I want to print this one and on separate page and this one on separate page. So before doing this, I'll do some changes. For this, I'll go to any of layout like layout number 5. You can see here. Now for Page Setup Manager, select on layout, right click on layout, then enter into Page Setup Manager and enter new settings, or you can even modify settings. I will select this ILU setup. Now I'll modify it. From here you can select printer or plotter. So if I want to change my drawings to PDF format, which is generally usable and preferable way, so I'll select DWG to PDF. Now next step, I have to select paper size. So proper size we generally use is A4 size. So I'll select A4 size here. Now from where I want to plot, so if we are working on layout and layouts, so we have to select plot from layout. So where we have placed our drawing and layout, and the same way it will look on paper. Next we have to select the plot style table. So for this we have to specify here which style we want to plot our drawings. For example, if I want to draw it in black and white, so I will select monochrome. If I want to draw it as it is in the drawing area, like colorful, or there are applied some materials, so I will select none. But now I want to print all of my drawings in monochrome, that is black and white, so I'll select monochrome. Now all our settings are done, so I'll select OK and close. My settings are already saved. Now I have to enter into this viewport and adjust this and this paper. The dash line shows us the boundary of our page where we can adjust and add our drawing. So first select on the boundary of this frame. You have seen as I have selected this, there are grips on this viewport. So from these grips you can modify and extend or enlarge your viewport. So select on any grip and modify it where you want. I am leaving a little space below here. If I want to add a title block later, then I will add it here, or I can add it here now from by using rectangle or line command. So shortcut for rectangle is REC, enter. So I'll add small rectangle here. Now I'll use line command. So here I can add my name, my class number if I am in university or something else, and my drawing specification. So this is all about placing title block in our drawing. Now as you can see, all our drawings are very disturbed, so I have to enter into this layout and select it in the proper framework. So double click on this viewport and you will enter into this layout and you can make changes then. So first double click. Now you can see you are able to zoom in, zoom out. You can also pan. So now I wanted to plot only this drawing, so I will select zoom and then zoom window, and I'll draw a window around this drawing to plot it in the proper way. So for this I'll select Z, enter, then W, enter, and now I'll specify a window around this drawing. So you can see that my drawing is now in between this viewport or this frame. So by escape you can get out of this viewport. Now we are able to print our drawing in this format. So simply click Ctrl P, Ctrl P, and now we have to select the drawing settings we already saved. So in name, select on your setup, and now you can see all our settings are applied to this layout. So okay, and save it where you want to save. And now you can see that as our drawing was in AutoCAD here in this layout, the same way it is printed on the paper. So this was all about printing and plotting in AutoCAD. Thank you.